Oh my god. I can't believe I got bugs out of the washing machine. If you don't wash your washing machine for a long time, your clothes will get dirtier and dirtier. We recommend you to use this washing machine cleaner. It's 100% germicidal. It can eliminate E. coli and mites and prevent gynecological diseases. Deep dirt removal. Stubborn hairs dissolution. Rich in plant-derived active ingredients. No damagetto clothes or hands. Cleaning the washing machine once a month. Clean and safe to use. Safe and eco-friendly. Smells fresh and clean. Leave your washing machine fresh and new after cleaning.